Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add in the script letter B to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So the letter B is the second letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in script B, and we'll use the command math.scr, so \math.scr, followed by opening and closing curly brackets, and we'll input in this command a capital B. Now to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the script letter B here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the script letter B to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.